Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Spigot is probably one of the most popular Minecraft server platforms out there, and for good reason. It offers a ton of customization options, allowing you to create a unique and engaging server experience for your players. From plugins that add new gameplay features to modifications that tweak existing mechanics, Spigot gives you the power to shape your server exactly how you want it. This video will dive into what makes Spigot so great. Number 5. Oak Leaf Stainless Steel Beverage Dispenser Spigot. Introducing the Oak Leaf Spigot, the perfect replacement for your beverage dispenser. This spigot is designed to enhance your dispensing experience, making it easier and more convenient. This spigot is designed for easy installation, requiring a 5/8" or 16mm diameter opening. It fits most dispensers, making it a versatile choice for your needs. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this spigot is built to last. It's durable, corrosion-resistant, and ensures the safety of your beverages. This spigot is perfect for dispensing a variety of beverages, from tea and water to juices and wine. It works well for both self-serve and traditional beverage services. Installation is quick and easy. The strong lever ensures a smooth and steady flow every time you use it. Remember to rinse it after use. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with the Oak Leaf Spigot, please contact us. We're here to help resolve any problems you may encounter. What we like. This spigot is made of premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It provides a steady flow, making it perfect for dispensing your favorite beverages. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting spigot for your dispenser, you should consider this one. What people say. This spigot is nicely machined and polished, has a good solid heft, dispenses like a dream and turns off securely, no drips. The silicone spacers are dense but pliable enough to offer a secure seal. The screw is long enough to accommodate thicker-walled containers. Number 4. DozyAnt Stainless Steel Beverage Dispenser Replacement Spigot. Introducing the DozyAnt Replacement Spigot, designed for durability and easy installation. It's a perfect upgrade for your beverage dispenser, ensuring a smooth and reliable flow. This spigot is built to last. Installation is a breeze. This spigot fits most dispensers with a 5/8" opening. It's designed to work with dispenser walls up to 11/16" thick, making it a versatile choice. This DozyAnt spigot is perfect for dispensing tea, wine, water, and juices. It fits all Berkey stainless steel models, but not the Berkey Light. Enjoy your favorite beverages with ease. Made from solid stainless steel, this spigot is built to last. It's lead-free, durable, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring your health and a long product life with proper care. Remember to wash the washers and remove the protective films before use. Use a wrench if needed, but don't over-tighten. Rinse thoroughly after each use, especially if used for sugary drinks. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with this DozyAnt spigot, please contact us. We're here to help and ensure you're completely happy with your purchase. What we like. This spigot is crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear and tear. It's also multifunctional, suitable for various beverages. If you have a Berkey filter system, this is the perfect choice, as it's designed to fit seamlessly. What people say. Great fit for my glass beverage dispenser. Great quality metal. The one that came on the dispenser was plastic and took no time to break the knob. This was a great upgrade. Does not leak at all. Easy to assemble. The absolute best fit product. Immediately adheres to glass pitcher. Works great, no leaks. Top quality. Very thick and fits perfectly snug in a glass setting. Fits my dispenser perfectly with no leaks. So much better than the original spigot. Number 3. RAINPAL RBS 005 Brass Spigot for Open Barrels. This is the RAINPAL RBS 005, a solid brass quarter-turn ball valve spigot. It's designed for open-top barrels and containers. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and ease of use. This spigot is built to last. It's leak-proof, rust-proof, and freeze-proof, guaranteeing reliable performance in various conditions. You can count on it for years to come. The RAINPAL RBS005 is lead-free compliant, making it safe for portable water. It contains less than 0.25% lead, ensuring the water you use is clean and safe. This spigot is designed for open-top barrels and containers, fitting walls up to 1 4-inch thick. You'll need a 7/8-inch hole to install it. Make sure you have access to the inside of the container. The RAINPAL RBS005 comes with a lifetime warranty against leaks, breaks, or cracks. It's a US designed and standard product, ensuring quality and customer service. If you need a closed-top version, check out the RBS005T. What we like. This spigot is constructed from solid brass and is lead-free compliant, ensuring safety and peace of mind. It also comes with a lifetime warranty against leaks, breaks, or cracks. If you value quality and durability and need a spigot for open-top barrels, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. This is an excellent product. Very well made of durable materials and a breeze to install in the rain barrel we have, removable top. This spigot is much better quality than others that you find on the market. Number 2. Honoson 4 Sets Replacement Faucet. This water dispenser tap set is made of quality plastic and silicone material. It's safe and reliable, and very easy to use for all ages. Push up and it will stay open for hands-free dispensing. Before installing, measure the opening where the faucet will be installed. This ensures the replacement faucet is the right size and fits properly. Use a measuring tape or ruler. Consider the thread size of the faucet. If it screws into place, make sure the replacement has the same thread size. This is important for a secure fit. Engineered for drip-free, leak-resistant gravity feed use. It's ideal for non-potable setups, so no pressure system is needed. This keeps your space clean and tidy. This is durable for garden, workshop, or irrigation scenarios. It fits most storage equipment, but check dimensions first. It works with garden water buckets, rain barrels, and more. Remember, it's for non-potable use. What we like. This spigot is incredibly easy to operate, with a simple push-up mechanism for hands-free dispensing. It features a leak-proof gravity feed design, ideal for non-potable setups. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use spigot for your garden or workshop, this is the one for you. What people say. The spigot is well designed and easy to install. The product works exactly as described and is very functional. The build quality is excellent. Number 1. RAINPAL RBS022 Brass Rain Barrel Spigot. This is the RAINPAL RBS022 Brass Rain Barrel Spigot. It comes with a lifetime warranty against any breaks, cracks, or leaks. You can also get a free replacement gasket if the original one is damaged. The spigot contains less than 0.25% lead, making it lead-free compliant. For more information on lead-free compliance, please visit epa.gov. This ensures the safety of your water. It features a heavy-duty 4.0-ounce solid brass bulkhead fitting and a 6.0 ounces 3/4 no-kink quarter-turn solid brass ball valve. The design and quality of this product are top-notch. Installation is simple, requiring only a 1 to 1/4-inch hole. The spigot fits up to a 1-2-inch thick wall and works great for 55-gallon plastic drum barrels. Detailed instructions and thread tape are included. The spigot has a large 10 mm flow opening, providing a great flow rate of approximately 15 seconds per gallon, or 4 gallons per minute. It has been tested with 2 feet of water. This spigot is freeze-proof and rust-proof, ensuring its longevity. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us for assistance. This product is built to last. Remember, the fitting nut is reverse-threaded. Turn it clockwise to loosen. This is an important detail for proper installation. What we like. This spigot is constructed from heavy-duty brass, ensuring durability and longevity. It's designed for easy installation from the outside of the barrel. If you need a spigot with a high flow rate and easy installation for your rain barrel, you should definitely consider it. What people say. The reverse threads on the bulkhead fitting allow opposing force when threading on and tightening the spigot, preventing the bulkhead fitting from loosening. Installation was even easier than the video, and they work perfectly. It doesn't leak, and it is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.